Yo, what's up everyone? I am back with another video, and for you guys today I'll be eating a banh mi and some bok choy. Let's go. Gotta start off with the beef stew. Yeah. Carrot. Mmm. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright. Here we go, here we go. Beef. Mmm. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Got a banh mi. Should we dip it? I don't know. Let's go for it. Mmm. Whoa. Pretty spicy. I think I just ate a jalapeno. Mmm. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Very nice. Boom. Mmm. Pretty good. I like that. Carrot. Mmm. 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 All right. It's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, I don't know why. It's good though. Dip. Mmm. 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 Yeah. It's comforting. For sure. Excuse me. Pretty stacked. I think I like the mayo. It's nice. Mmm. Pretty spicy. I dig it. Yeah. Really really hitting the spot. You know what I mean? Mmm. It's pretty big. Oh yeah. Whew. All right. Dip. That's how you do it. Mmm. No more dipping. Here we go. Mmm. Yeah, I'm already full, so I'm gonna stop the video here. That's just the combination pork. It was pretty good. It was pretty stacked, pretty spicy too. The jalapenos, I think, was pretty fresh in there. And then this is the bok choy. I don't know if you guys know what it is. It's like a beef stew basically. And yeah, if you wanted to, you could dip it in here. I just want to try it one time. I thought it was pretty good. I'll put the description down below so you guys can go check it out for yourself. See you in the next video.